Are you a small business owner and looking up to boost Facebook marketing this year? Don't worry, in this video, we will show you 7 Facebook marketing trends that every small business owner needs to know. Do you know? As of 2020, there are 1.69 billion users on Facebook and around 1.3 billion users on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, I am Naresh Kumar, the founder of Go Digital Plan. So let's start without any wasting time. Video marketing has always been powerful, but its greater thanks to current technology makes it one of the most powerful marketing trends for the next decade. More than half of consumers swear by product videos as a major part of their online purchasing decisions. Meanwhile, 72% of businesses have said that video marketing has boosted their conversion rates in some way. Video is the most popular medium for learning about new products and businesses they have just encountered. This is even more so with the shift towards mobile devices, wherein long-form content is harder to read. Images may not be enough to convey your full message, and text posts can get too long, so video is perfect. Adding to video marketing on Facebook, you should also get into posting stories to update your audience in real time. Facebook Stories is becoming more popular and increasing brand awareness, especially among younger audiences. It's a cost-effective way to update your audience on new products and whatever else is going on within your business. You can take a photo or video and post it as a story quickly and easily, not having to plan it out like you would with a regular post. This spontaneity is what has made this feature incredibly popular among Facebook users over the past few years. If your audience is made aware of you posting stories regularly, they will want to tune in more often and watch out for updates. Yes, this is still powerful as it is the refined and elevated version of word-of-mouth marketing that amplifies your brand. An influencer is a key leader in the community who represents the people while also serving as your representative. People are more willing to trust someone they know who shares their beliefs and interests, which is what an influencer is good for. The integration of commerce and social media has been growing, and people can even buy products directly through social media posts. Facebook doesn't only have the marketplace, but also the checkout feature that lets them pay for products and advertises within the platform. The great thing about this is it reduces the risk of carts being abandoned, since it is in a place where people spend most of their time online. That makes marketing and selling products much easier and more profitable in the long run. Every customers want to interact with businesses that can respond immediately round the clock. The rise of chatbots has shown how modern digital marketing has become more about conversations. Businesses that can provide that are able to retain their interest and convert more of them into paying customers. It's a long-term investment of time and energy that can pay off big, and one major benefit is user-generated content. You can do things like offer a discount for people who allow you to use their content, turning them into micro-influencers. This form of micro-influencer marketing is just one of the ways you can leverage your community. Generic messages annoy at least 63% of customers, who won't think twice about turning away from brands. While it takes more effort, personalizing your marketing is the biggest way to make yourself stand out this year. You should personalize your content, products, message, and other marketing materials to your customers. Around 80% of consumers are more likely to buy from a business that offers personalized experiences.